Is the base chain slowly making a comeback? It seems like some Robinhood meme coins are now, some attention from Robinhood is being diverted to the base chain once again. And what is the face of base? None other than Toshi, guys. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the face of Coinbase, the thing that Coinbase wallet used to be once called, Toshi wallet, guys. Let's take a look at Toshi, what we could expect from it, and what the dev is also saying right now as well. If you guys are new, stay until the end. If you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button. With that being said, let's go, guys. Without further ado, boom. Right now, state of the market is looking like this right now. I'm a little bit excited, and that's mainly because we've been calling some bangers inside of our Discord, guys. We've been calling some bangers inside of our private Discord, inside of the inner circle. There's one play right now that is literally running, that is up almost a 10x. Yes, we are printing inside of there. Listen, I don't want you guys to miss out, so click the link down below and join the inner circle. I'll see you guys inside of there, ladies and gentlemen. And yeah, guys, Toshi right now sitting at $45 million market cap. In the week, down 4.8. In the year, down 84%. And it looks like it's a chart that has slowly pulled the rug, but that's not the case. It's a meme coin. Meme coins are down because the entire crypto market is down. Bitcoin is down. Crypto tailwinds aren't the best, right? So you guys need to factor that in. Sorry if I'm speaking kind of quick here. I just have a lot of information to get out. Now in the month, down 17%. One thing about Toshi though, guys, it is listed, my apologies, practically everywhere, right? Obviously it's on Coinbase Exchange because it is the face of base. Binance Alpha, Upbit, I think Bithumb as well. I'm pretty sure they're available in Korea. Yeah, they have the Bithumb and Upbit listings. I remember this was massive when it came out. And guys, you really need to factor in that when we got that Coinbase listing, we literally rallied. I don't know if it'll say we were sub $100 million market cap. I sent a alert for this, right? Inside of the Discord, which looking back at it was more than a year ago, which is absolutely mental. In 2025, we rallied from here all the way to, this is not even close to where we got to. We got very close to 950 or $60 million, very close to a billion. And it just goes to show you when we are in a bull market, just how quickly things can change, just how quickly cryptos could spike, just how quickly meme coins could rally when the narrative around it is hot, when the narrative around it is popular, when the narrative around it is bullish. And that is exactly what Toshi did, because Toshi absolutely took off during that time. Now, let's take a look at the chart here, guys, because it has slowly but surely faded a little bit, right? You can see this wick all the way up to 930 million. Now, mind you, we took profit at this area as well. We literally rode it from under 100 million to over 900 million. And we literally sold at the right time because we made almost a 9x or a 10x. And that was, hey, that was good for us at the time. We were crushing it during the bull market. And I don't want you guys to miss out on the plays that we're getting into right now, because we're not just buying meme coins, we're buying into utility plays, altcoins that we know are going to print for us over a long period of time. So within the next couple months, within the next couple years, when the market does recover, we know that these cryptos are going to absolutely rip it, which is why we're loading up right now. So if you guys want to know what cryptos I'm buying, join the inner circle. There's a link down in the description below. Now let's keep going, because yes, the market right now is rough. Toshi's just struggling to hold, that $50 million mark. These are lows that we haven't seen since before that pump, right? 50 million was literally January 2025, and now we revisited that. Now, I'll be honest, guys, there's no real point in marking off some type of support or some type of resistance for Toshi, because meme coins are not going to trade within those ranges too well. You really need to just understand that the crypto market right now is not favorable towards meme coins. Okay, meme coins are going to be going down unless, and of course, obviously, there are new meme coins. If there's new meme coins that are launching on Base or on Robinhood, attention is going to pivot to them. Attention is going to divert to them. But keep in mind, those meme coins that are launching right now are probably not going to be long-term plays, right? Toshi is one of those blue chip long-term plays, such as Turbo and Pengu, that I believe when the market does recover, does have a chance to recover and do well again, right? But in the short term, these are not going to pump. And that's just the honest take. That's just the honest truth on it. Let's take a look at what Kokosler has to say. Hopefully, Base continues improving as an ecosystem, and hopefully we all get to enjoy much better days ahead. I'm not leaving Toshi, not even close. I'm simply going to work a little less. My son comes first, and I'm no longer willing to let my health continue to pay the price. Hopefully over the next 6 to 12 months, I'll start feeling like myself again. I'm really looking forward to feeling like a full human again and enjoying every aspect of life. Hopefully the energy comes back and I'll be more in Spaces, Telegram, voice chats, and everywhere else that many of you know me from. Again, doesn't really sound too good, right? It sounds like he's like losing confidence, he's losing faith in the project. Kind of sucks to hear. I'm incredibly grateful to everyone who has supported me throughout this crazy journey over the past 3 years. Together, we've achieved things that very few thought were possible, and I genuinely believe that still so much more is ahead of us if we continue walking together with the right goals in mind. My DMs are always open. I might reply a little slower than I used to, but I always try. And if you're only here to spread negativity, I'm simply not going to spend my time or energy on it. Now, this is quite a change in tone from his last couple posts about how he's super excited about something that was launching, something that's building on Toshi, and it kind of sucks that this is his angle of it right now, that he's taking a little bit of a step back, that he's not entirely leaving, but he's just taking a little bit of a step back. It's not the greatest sounding message to come out, right? So it obviously isn't the best thing to hear, guys, but in case you forgot, Toshi to Coinbase wallet to Base app. Toshi is the ticker. In 2012, Armstrong and Fred Ehrman co-founded Coinbase as a way for crypto enthusiasts to trade bitcoins and other digital cryptos. Armstrong was its first CEO. Coinbase's first wallet iteration was called Toshi, which is literally named after Toshi Nakamoto, which in turn is also the name of one of Brian Armstrong's cats. A 2018 funding round valued the company at 8.1 billion, which is okay, very interesting, right? You guys understand kind of the lore around Toshi. A few thoughts on the current situation. I've been a Toshi holder for 3 years and it's generally a wild ride. I watched Toshi grow from nearly a new token over CTO with an unknown future on a brand new chain into the flagship meme of Base, along with the way it earned listings on multiple exchanges. What makes this even more impressive is that it was achieved with very little, if any, meaningful support from Coinbase or Base at all. Toshi succeeded on its own because of Coco's Lair insane drive to make the project succeed, and because of a community that refused to stop believing in what it could become. None of it came easily. There were many hurdles along the way. Toshi has survived multiple 90+% dump periods where sentiment felt completely dead. Over time, it came back stronger. The current and, in my opinion, accurate FUD surrounding Base, combined with the wild success of Cash Cat and the experiment around Robinhood, feels like another part of that cycle. Most of the attention is going somewhere else right now. Meanwhile, Coco and Toshi are quietly cooking in the background, waiting for the right moment to shine again. Remember that Coco said he's working on something that will be the most impactful development for Toshi since its inception. We also know there's a lot happening behind the scenes that also hasn't been announced yet. Now I'm curious to know, this was last edited um, July 15th at 9:43, and Coco posted this. This was on the AM, was it? Oh, PM. So again, maybe you didn't see the post, but Coco there does say he does switch his tone a little bit. Now that doesn't mean I'm less bullish on the project at all. If people genuinely listen and make meaningful changes and rebuild some trust with the community, there's a good chance Base can become a fun chain again. Either way, my long-term conviction Toshi hasn't changed. Still here, still watching them build, still bullish again. My same conviction, right? I'm still here, I'm still built, they're still building, and I'm still bullish on the project. I'm just not going out of my way to buy into it right now, because from a risk to reward standpoint, that's just not healthy to me. That's just not appetizing to me. With that said, guys, I will see you in the next video. If you want to be a part of my inner circle, click the link down below and join. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all, and peace out.